Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use GPT 4.0, 0.4 mini and 0.3 inside ChatGPT. Right now, so as you might know, since ChatGPT 5 has been introduced, it is the default model and you cannot change it, but you can actually, but you have to have a ChatGPT Plus or higher subscription and you can change back to older models. So if you click on the model selector here, you're going to see legacy models, and by default only 4.0 is available. So if you want to use 0.4 mini or 0.3 or even 4.1, you can switch to those models as well and use them in your ChatGPT conversations. And all you have to do for that is to click on your account name in the top bottom left corner, then click on settings, and here under the general tab you're gonna see show additional models. Make sure to turn this toggle on. Then once we close this out, as we can see under legacy models, you're gonna see GPT 4.0, 4.1, 0.3 and 0.4 mini as well. So you can select, for instance, GPT 4.1, and with that ChatGPT will use that in the conversations, and you can switch back to GPT 5 or other legacy models as well. But all in all, this is how you can use ChatGPT 4.0, 0.4 mini and 0.3 and 4.1 in ChatGPT.